come from a digital learning space, and we kind of any learning requirement, we jump into videos, apps, and any advanced or technology and all that. But I'm just marveling with simple exercises that you had. You gave us a glimpse into the mind of a person facing difficulty. So I think it went from just a theoretical knowledge to lived understanding. So I think this is my personal takeaway. What I'm learning is we don't need fancy tools and grand gestures to get a point through. So kudos to you, Vaishnu. I really love it.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You are very patient and polite, and I really enjoyed being with you for these 3 hours. And you made sure everyone is involved and engaged in this session, and it's really good. We may get this content like what is dyslexia or what is dysgraphia, but we'll not get this enthusiasm to learn about it. So you were wonderful, and we'll not forget. Any of us will not forget these topics. So thank you.
So it was a wonderful session. Yeah, I was able to learn a lot. It was very helpful for me. I really enjoyed the session. It was very interesting. And thank you so much for guiding us.
Uh, I think it was good for me because it's a great learning here. Because I was starting, like I said, right, I have a kid with some learning disabilities, but was understanding the concepts and experiences from other team members here. And thank you for your guidance on this.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, it's a very great session. And moreover, I would like to have more and more sessions on this, ma'am, based on focus on the autistic and how do they, especially on the LSD, sorry, learning disabilities, how the kid and more materials and more sessions on this. So it can help me to teach my child as well, ma'am.
Absolutely.
Thank you, ma'am. It's a wonderful session, actually. I love it. Yes. And actually, ma'am, I just want to say that as a teacher, sometimes it's easy to manage a child, but as a parent, it's very tough. When you have a kid with disabilities like this, every day you are watching them, and it's very tough. Actually, emotionally, you have to manage all the thing, and then managing a child with this type of disabilities is very tough. So if teachers are very good, polite and empathetic, then the parents also feel very good. So we as a teacher definitely try that.
Yes, ma'am. So I'm sorry that I couldn't switch on my video for a long time due to my ailment, but it was really very much enthusiastic. I learned from everyone. I learned from you not only how to, not only about the learning disability, but also how to cope up with it, which is very important in practical sense also. I want to share one more thing also that I was teaching a kid from Dubai and I was teaching him phonics. But later, when you told me the symptoms of dyspraxia, which I didn't know before, that it was a motor skilled problem, and he was not able to, hold the pencil. He was just putting his t-shirt up, and he was jumping here and there. So at first, we only thought it was speech delay, but when you told me, I discovered that it's something else. So this session was really insightful for me, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it was very wonderful session.
Thank
And
you.
and from this session, I can say I would take a lot from this session and real time experiences, whatever everyone has shared. I guess that would be helpful for me a lot, and I can work for my kid definitely. And
Absolutely.
and in detail, whatever you taught us was really wonderful. In detail, I
Thank you.
can, yeah.